Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening TikTok and going straight to Discover. Don't wander through feeds. Once there, type live in the search bar. All caps helps match the tag. You want the search results page because that's where live tags and active streams appear first. Make sure to press search and wait 1 second for results to populate. This pulls up creators, hashtags, and any active broadcasts. This is the only method that reliably exposes live tagged content from across the app. Once done, scan the search results and switch to tags or top to surface live-specific entries. You'll recognize active streams by a red live badge on thumbnails or on the user's profile image. That visual is crucial. Tap a tagged result or a profile that shows live. It jumps you directly into an ongoing broadcast. Make sure to check hashtag pages too. Some creators stream under a trending tag, and those pages aggregate current live videos for you to join instantly. You finish by tapping any live thumbnail to join and interact via comments or gifts. That's the action step. If you find no live streams, clear the search and retry with synonyms, creator names, or city names. Sometimes streams aren't tagged exactly as live. If live badges don't show at all, make sure your app is updated, then log out and back in or reinstall. That fixes most display issues. Remember, using the Discover search for live is the dependable path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.